The guy in the comments last night that just said rub, was he offering me a hand job, you think? I don't know. I'm good though, dude. Thanks, I appreciate it. So, we're gonna try and get this thing to turn over today because the starter relay came, the thing I said I was not gonna order till I got back from Sturgis. Yeah, so I have no discipline, and I just wanted to hear this thing fire once. So I gotta take the wheel off, because for some reason Doc felt it was necessary to make it to where for the starter relay to come off the bike, the wheel has to come off. Which is, that's fine. That's, you know, it's good. It's all fine. And why burn the candle at both ends when there's a middle section you can light also? So, someone said the other day, man, I wish I had a job that would allow me to go out and shoot videos in the middle of the afternoon instead of working. I'm like, well, it's because I'm working at other times. So for last night, for example, I had a call from 8:30 to 10, and then another one at 4:30 this morning, and then another one at 6:30 after that. So it's, don't think that I just have a leisurely life of laying around and working on bikes. When I'm not messing around with you dudes, I'm probably lashed to my desk in there talking to somebody in China or Pakistan or something like that. So, well, that was an interesting horn. I think there's a locomotive going on in the street. So yeah, I gotta jerk the wheel off this thing. I always say jerk off every damn time. I gotta put the primary back together first. There's a process I keep forgetting. So I have the gasket now. The gasket came, got my quart of primary oil. So I'm gonna throw that back together. Just throw it together, it's fine. And then swap the relay, put the battery back in it, and see if it'll turn over. And if that's the case, if it'll turn over, then we'll dump some gas down the fuel lines. And do I have any gas? Crap, that might be a missing part of the whole procedure. I'm gonna figure that out. Got diesel, I ain't doing that. All right, so let me get to cracking on the reassembly here, because I got more work stuff in. Oh, I got like 4 hours. I'm golden. Be fine. Be back in a moment. Okay. It's not like I just gave labor. Birth. We're in labor. Whatever. Looked like I was in labor too. Had an issue I discovered, which is great. I'll have to figure that out. Hadn't noticed when I pulled it apart. Giant crack in the shift linkage. And the slips on over the shaft. You know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna have to source that. It's holding. It'll do for now, but I'm gonna have to figure that out. Wheels out. That was fun. 37 spacers fell out of the bike. I mean, I'm sure it's fine. I'm just kidding. I have a pretty good idea where they go. And if not, it's fine. Anyway, I've also removed some more spikes to the point to where, and I realized I haven't picked them all up, that I'm pretty sure I'm in the most dangerous room in the United States right now. Like if I fell, I am going to be impaled on multiple spikes laying all over the damn floor. Look at that one. That was just designed to take a life. I'm not sure why Captain was so into cylindrical pointy things. So I'm being real with you. I'm gonna hit the key for the first time. Let's see if it catches fire. No fire. Then we got lights. What we're looking for right now is I replaced the starter relay. Let me turn the fan off. I just realized that might be noisy on the camera. I don't know. All right. So I'm gonna hit the key and we're gonna see if the starter turns over for the first time in several years. Please, Mother Mary and Joseph, pray for me. What in the hell could it be now? Battery is charged. Even the brake light's working. What could it be now? What in the hell's left? The bike only has a starter and a starter relay, and the relay is new. What the hell? Someone comment down below. A real man. What in the hell is it that is preventing this starter from turning over. The starter is brand new, just the background. The starter is brand new. It's a DB, it's not a cheap one. Cables are good and clean, connections. Starter relay is brand new. I don't know what's going on, guys. Somebody weigh in down below and see what the hell would stop this thing from trying to start. And Captain, if you watch this, we aren't friends anymore. You can go ahead and open up a space in your schedule for a new friend, because no. I was hoping this would be a glorious look. It started, or at least it turned over, or I got it running, or whatever video, but I don't. That's what I got. So what is that? So yeah, I'm serious. I don't know what it is. I've done so much work to this bike, I'm about done with it. Comment down below with somebody who knows what else I should try. So again, the battery is new and is charged. The starter is new. The starter relay is new. The wiring is good. The wires that would involve the starter relay. The starter itself. The hot line is good. Negative line is good. I even used brand new hardware in the relay to make sure there wasn't anything not getting a good ground or whatever. I mean, I don't know what in the hell else it could possibly be. I don't know. Somebody comment, help! I forgot to say, take care of each other out there. I'm upset, but it'll be fine. It's going to be fine. We'll all be fine. All right. Take care of each other out there. We'll talk soon. Bye.